The send of Douglas Toet in Kuresoi South took place at Tatakwet village in Nakuru County, where opinion leaders used the opportunity to exchange words, while others dismissed their address, flashing out words towards relating to leaders' development and accusing them for increasing in their bodies. And afterwards, another opinion leader was called, who represent Member of Parliament of Kuresoi, to speak on behalf before the burial continues.
Mutyo batiem ak mutyo en kokwoni. Kakibwan ireyu sinyokikaikaige echek tugul ko ng'alek chebo siasa. Ane komatinye siasa, konyon ireyu kou yo mwoe sirutik chetililen kole oba elemi cherirtos orirye tugul, elemi cheboiboi oboiboikitu tugul. So konyon ireyu kinyokikaikaige,
telling the residents that they came to eulogize to the loss of Douglas without any politics. The late Douglas Kipngetich was born in the year 1970 at Kamnanda in Tinet, Kuresoi South, Nakuru County. He was the third-born son of the late Arap Sonoya and Ludia Chilging of Keringet Tegat Village, Kuresoi, Nakuru County. He treasured family deeply and maintained strong bond with his siblings, relatives, friends through his life. Douglas was a devout husband and responsible father who worked tirelessly to provide for his family. Douglas enjoyed good health for most of his life until December 2025, where he began experiencing persistent ulcers. He sought treatment at Kamara Health facilities and was discharged after receiving medication. Sadly, around midnight on 3rd May 2026, Douglas Kipngetich Toet peacefully rested from his earthly journey. On behalf of Jijopefu TV fraternity, I extend the condolences to the families and Kuresoi South at large. May his soul rest in peace. The Jijopefu TV news continues in the other side. Keep it right here. My name is Mchunguzi Njoroge. Thank you so much all for taking time to watch this. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, Jijopefu TVs, for upcoming latest news update across the country and within Nakuru County. Alhamdulillah.